Hi friends, this is Rakesh. Now we are going to see access control specifiers that are available in Java. So there are 4 access specifiers available in Java: private, default, protected and public. I have already talked more about private and public in the previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please try to watch those videos and come to this video. Then only you can get the detailed information about this access control. So I would like to explain this using a sample program. So we have already seen the single inheritance Java code example in the previous videos. So please watch those videos. So class is an employee is a class. Inside that there are 3 variables. So what we are trying to do is all the variables are declared as private specifiers. If you specify variables as a private, you can't access those outside that class. If you are trying to access using that object raja.empid, it will throw an error: employee id as private access in employee. So this employee id is a variable that has some private access in employee, so you don't have any permission. You means raja object has don't have the permission to access employee id outside that class. If we remove that private, what Java will treat is, it will treat it as a default specifier. If the variable has a default specifier, then that can be accessed outside, but there are some limitations. What are those limitations? By using default specifier, you can access those within a class, that's okay, and within the same package. See here, single inheritance and employee class are both present in the same package called test2. So that's the reason why that Raja object has access to emp id. If we try to put public, it is a super specifier. Super means public has right to access across class and across packages, across classes in the same package, subclasses in another package, and universe means you can access at anywhere. So subclass in another package. What is a subclass in another package? If suppose there are 2 packages called vehicle and animal. Under vehicle there are some classes. One of those classes is car class. Under animal there are many animals, and one of those classes dog. If suppose dog class extends vehicle car class, then you can means that dog class has an access to vehicle class protected variables. So that's the meaning of subclass in another package. So if we change that to public to protected, we can still access that employee id using Raja variable because it's in the same package. So protected has access to same class, same package, and subclass in another package. So I have already explained about subclass in another package. So at the end of this video, you would see channel icon at the topmost corner. Please click on that for subscribing the channel. At the bottommost corner, you would see similar videos link. Click on that for watching similar videos. Thanks for watching.